Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to your reading for what blessings are coming into your life within the next 90 days. Thank you for being present here. Thank you for your positive energy. And I always hope and pray that you and your loved ones are safe and protected. This is a timeless reading for the Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Scorpio. If this does not resonate, kindly check out your other signs, and if this does resonate, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to like, share and comment so that I know that you indeed uh, like these readings. Thank you. So what blessings are coming into Scorpio's life? The first card that we have is the Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Swords, Four of Swords, Three of Cups, the Sun card, Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Four of Wands, Two of Cups, and underneath the deck we have the Hangman. So with the Hangman, the blessing that is coming in for you is being able to discern, being able to see what you are doing, and being able to know if you are on the right path. Let me adjust these cards and I will come back. You have sacrificed enough, and now you are going to set limits as to how much you are willing to give, and what are your limits, what is it that you want from people or situations, and you are going to be extremely clear about where or what steps you want to take next, and you are not going to falter, you are not going to stop yourself from taking that next step whenever it is possible. You are recognizing what your true potential is and what kind of opportunities and relationships you are capable of attracting, and you are going to set clear boundaries and not allow relationships or situations that do not suit the boundaries, or that do not respect the boundaries set up by you, to come in and disturb your peace of mind, to disturb your well-being. With the Wheel of Fortune, these are what blessings are coming in, and this is a card of blessings. With the Wheel of Fortune, this is the planet Jupiter coming in to bring in blessings in the form of, it is going to change your time. If you have been feeling stuck, if you have been feeling like you are in a rut, and that no matter what you do, the situation around you is not changing, then the Wheel of Fortune is going to come in, and it is going to bring about change that is going to make you happy, that is going to make you think positively about the situation that you are in. The Wheel of Fortune is it can bring in, it is going to align you with your destiny. It is going to bring in abundance and good fortune. It is going to align you with high vibrational people, with your soul tribe, with your soulmates, with people who are, who vibrate at a level that is similar to you. Now consider this before you start getting all excited, that if you if you are at the people, the kind of people that you are attracting will be the same as you, will have the same thought pattern as you. So in order to bring them into your life, in order to align those meetings, it is going to take some time, because these people are rare. The people that you are meant to align with, they are rare, and in order to bring about these serendipitous meetings, it is going to take some time, but it is going to happen, because we have the sun, the four of wands, and the three of cups here. Friendships, alliances, you know friendships, alliances, relationships, marriages are likely to happen during this time. You connecting with people via your friends, via your family who are getting married. For example, your cousin is getting married, you get invited to that event, and you happen to meet your best friend or your life partner, or your your soul tribe. You happen to like their side of the family way too much, and they happen to be very inviting, they happen to be very generous and very caring. So these type of events might happen in your life, and these are really good people that you are inviting in. Extremely clear, caring, they are not confused. This, whatever people are aligning with you, they are going to bring about harmony into your life. With the ace of swords, you are going to gain clarity on certain things. This is moving forward, this is new beginning, and cutting cords, cutting ties with the things that no longer serve you. The clarity that is happening, it is going to help you to cut ties with the things that no longer serve you, that no longer serve your highest good. With the four of wands, this is meditation, this is rest, this is rejuvenation, this is being able to rest, this is being able to recuperate. See, a person cannot always be on the go, right? They have to be able to take rest, and in certain situations it happens that because of the work, we all have to work, but then there are additional responsibilities on us because of our families, because of our friends, and because of that we are unable to find time for for ourselves. We are unable to give ourselves some self love. That is happening in this case. You are going to find ways to rest. You're going to find time to rest. And with the what one thing, for very few of you who are experiencing some health issues, you are going to find a good physician, a good doctor, because this is aligning you with your soul tribe, with the people who are meant to make you your best version. So finding a good doctor is extremely important, and that is happening in this case. And because of that, you are going to finally be able to rest. Because of that, you are going to finally be able to feel better. For those of you who were not feeling better, you are going to find a physician, a good doctor. With the Three of Cups, like I said, aligning with your soul tribe, aligning with the people who think the same as you do, people who want to see you succeed, people who want to help you to create a good life, people who want to help you to progress in life. Like I said, these can be the people. For example, the example of doctor that I gave, it can also be a manager who is helping you, or a lawyer who is helping you set up a contract for your new firm. A good, if, excuse me, I'm having a difficult time in talking. So it is that some of you have been feeling repressed, also because we have the Eight of Swords card here. So the blessing that is coming in is that you will be able to be more vocal, you will be able to clearly communicate. The Ace of Swords is also a card of communication. It is a card of crystal clear communication, wanting, being able to ask for what it is that you want and deserve from other people. So with the Three of Cups, such things are likely. And with the Three of Cups and the Four of Wands, like I said, celebrations, events, marriages, birthdays, uh, we have holiday season coming up. So that is a possibility that you will be able to enjoy those things with the people that you care about. The Sun card. With the Sun card, this is success, this is positivity, this is, and see this is amplifying this. I don't know if these are all the blessings that a person wants in their life. These are all the blessings that a person wants in their life. What else can a person want? It is, the spread is full of pure blessings. And this is you getting out of your own way with the Sun. This is an incredible happy successful energy at being able to attract whatever you want in your life. With the Sun card, if some of you have been looking to get pregnant, then this is that. Some of you have been trying, like I said, you are going to find a good doctor who is going to help you, or some of you are going to find, uh, you know you're going to come across something that is going to tell you exactly what it is that you are doing wrong, and you will be able to rectify that behavior, and you are going to conceive immediately. With the Seven of Swords, identifying the negative people, the negative chords, the negative associations, the low vibrational entities in your life, being able to identify them and being able to release them, being able to cut ties with such people. That is very likely, that is most likely to happen during this time. This is the biggest blessing. Even with the Seven of Swords, if you yourself have been doing things, or you have been holding yourself back in some capacity, you have been mistreating yourself, then that is also likely going to be rectified. That behavior is also going to be rectified. And there are going to be people who are going to come into your life, who are going to point these things out, who are going to tell you that this is how you have been holding yourself back up until now, and you need to do this and this in order to get out of your cocoon, in order to stop sabotaging yourself. Because anyway, we all have external enemies, we have external negative entities who try to sabotage us without having to do it to ourselves, right? So you are going to stop doing that. And with the Eight of Swords, whatever self-limiting beliefs you had, those are going to go away. You are going to identify what your rights are. You are going to know what you want from life. You are no longer going to hold yourself back. You are going to see to it that you make use of all the things that you have, and to not feel trapped, to not imprison yourself with your thoughts. With the Four of Wands, this is stability, this is happiness in home, these are celebrations, this is abundance, this is bonus, raises, uh, again, like I said, celebration of any form. Some of you may be buying your own land or houses, homes, or investing in something. This is a very happy energy again. And with the Two of Cups, this is a very high vibrational, harmonious soulmate energy. If you are already in a relationship, then that relationship is likely to become more harmonious, that relationship is likely to become more, it is, if you people were having difference of opinions, then those are likely to be sorted out during this time period. You people are going to recognize what things are keeping or holding you back, and what it is that you need to do in order to succeed. It is going to bring about a sense of calmness, it is going to bring about a sense of happiness, it is going to bring about a sense of, it is going to bring in love, care. So these are extremely good blessings to get. Make the most of these, and let me know if these resonated. Tell me in the comments, and I will see you with another reading really soon. Until then, please take care of yourself. Bye.